I heard y'all said these mini twists is where it's at. Summertime, it's hot, my hair right here, and I don't want nothing below my shoulders on my back, okay? So come along, family, let's do these mini twists together. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing some mini twists on my short natural hair, and I'm just trying to get into the trend. And I got my hair relatively clean. I put these little hair bands on it to stretch it out so that the twist will be a little bit stretched without applying any heat. I need these to last for 3 whole weeks. We gonna manifest that they turn out so cute that they last up to 3 weeks, period. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Spin, 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 spin. Okay. For this hairstyle, I'm using Edge Booster, Shining Jam, Edge Control, Lottie Body Setting Foam, Got To Be Spray, oil, a wire tail comb, some banana clips, and some long hair ties. Okay, I thought I was going to use those, but I didn't end up using them. I just go in and separate my hair into 3 sections, and then I begin braiding down. And I did want to mention that I didn't blow dry my hair out to achieve this boho mini twist style, and it still is going to turn out really pretty. I've already pulled out my first piece, and then I go ahead and twist down right before I pull out my second piece, and then I just keep on twisting. Now I'm about to pull out my second piece. And I mean, I was dancing a little bit. You can add that into your routine if you want to. Just enjoy yourself, because this will take a while, especially if you are doing it on yourself. Mine took about 5 hours. For the bottom piece, I just go in and use my hand to twirl it around my finger. We have officially reached 520 subscribers. I am so excited, guys. We have done this. Go ahead, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. Let's get back into the video. Done with the first side. Now I'm finna get into this side, and look how good and moisturized they look. Honestly, to me, it looked more than a stretch look. I'll upload a picture or a video, just a snippet of the video that I did with the stretch mini twist, and you tell me which one look better. Cause these is eating, like, they super juicy. Look how much I got done. They look so good and juicy. Like I only got the back left and this little row right here. Ignore this because I'm gonna swoop it up at the end. I don't be knowing if I want to line them up or like make them uneven going across. I kind of like that look a little bit better. I'm gonna just bend too knotted because that's what's gonna keep it out the way. And you ain't gotta make it tight or whatever, just twirl it around. Then I'll take some of that gel. Divide it in 3 and get the braid. Then I split that middle into 2. Period. Then the way I'm twisting towards my face. I'm actually twisting in the opposite direction that I usually twist in, which I'm liking the effect that it's coming out to. I'm only taking out like a pinch of her. See that? You don't need much. Unless you want that look. Because if that's the look that you want the curls out, then go for it, baby. Some of them I took out 3 pieces and some of them I took out 2. It just really depends on how thin or thick the the twist is. They look so good and juicy with a splash of curl on it. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. Y'all, I've been contemplating this hairstyle for a long time. When I did the regular mini twist, I was thinking to myself, I have to try the goddess ones and see if they really eat for real. Okay, y'all, I'm done with the top. It's looking so good, y'all. I am in love. Just look, just check me out. Let's get into the back. Alright, now that we in the back, y'all, can y'all believe I didn't even use a mirror? I just trusted my instincts and went in and started twisting. And it still turned out good. Am I the only one that be super happy when I reach that last twist of braid in my head? I know it look like I combined 2 twists together, but it's not. It's just a little bit uneven with the parting because I really didn't use and look at my mirror. I just made sure y'all could see. But it look good. Alright, now it's time to get under the blow dryer.
Wow.